Right everyone, now I've just got some flowers here that I've done in the past. I love these, but what I wanted to share with you is don't be afraid to add things to your flower. Don't just make a flower like that. You know, you can add different beading, little stick pins and little tiny flowers and whatnots. It just enhances the flower. I like this one. It was like a white guipure, had a gold effect to the front of it, so they're quite nice. I love doing these type. I just think they're really pretty, and I love this ribbon that I used. I made the leaves as well. And then we've got this one. We do sell this material. Like I say, we've got the... I'm going to show you how to do these leaves again. But it's just using what you have. Like that again. Just gorgeous trim. This is the one where you stitch the centre. You do a running stitch. But then you also stitch the outer rim. And they make fantastic flowers. These are the ribbon flowers that I like to do, you know, and you can do them any size, small or not. Little clusters, just by doing several little flowers, and then you put them together on a piece like that, and you've got a little thing, add your little stamen and whatnot, and they're so easy to make and put on your projects, and they'll go on anything. Right, here we go. So I've got that one. Let me just move these out of the way. I'm going to need all of it in that size as well. And then again in this one. So I have 3 different sizes in the same ribbon. Put that one up there. I'm just going to seal them. This one as well. And then take my needle and thread. And I just overlap it about 1 centimetre. Join that to the back, like that, and just stitch down the middle. Pull that together tight. You can wrap it round a couple of times, thread that back through, and you're done for that one. Do the same again with the others. Now, again, these can be used for anything. So now what I've got is some of this. It more or less matches. And what I'm going to do is attach this, seal the end. Attach the bow. Like that, and go over that. Don't worry, because we'll put you something on there. I'll seal it in like that. Move up a couple of inches. which that's the bigger one, that's the next one. Attach that bow, couple of inches, attach that bow, okay, and then what you're going to do is to leave enough here to put the main flower on. So we've got that. Let me move these out of the way. Oops. They're just ideas. But I'm going to use the same ribbons to make the flowers. And I want to make the flower from this one to start with, because I think we need a decent sized flower. So I'm going to seal this. See if I've got enough thread. Now I need to change my thread. I love these hanging bows. They're absolutely beautiful. Let me get my thread. I just put my needle. I've just put my needle down. There it is. Couldn't see it. Do one of my favourite flowers. So we start on the end. You do yourself a tacking stitch. 1, 2, 3. Actually, it doesn't matter how many stitches you do on that end. Okay, and now we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to do a 5-petal flower. And then stitch to the end. Okay, go back to the beginning, make sure these are all the same way. Go back to the beginning and pick up where you started. Right, pull in and just seal that off. I'm going to do that again. Move it around so you've got it level. See, I've done 6 petals on this one. It does give that fullness. Like that. Now what I'm going to do is just to put that onto a piece of felts. Decent sized piece because it's a decent sized flower. And we're going to glue that on. Put that in the middle. These are, you know, I will share as many ideas as I possibly can with you. That actually is too big to help you in your crafts. And if I do something that gives you an idea, a bit of inspiration, then that's good, isn't it? Right, okay, so we've got, look at that, beautiful. Now we've got to get this straight. And we've got to get that onto there. I'm not fussing about it because I can seal that in with another one, and which I will do now. There's a smaller piece, and we'll just cut like an oval. Like that. So I'm just going to glue the sides like that. Sit that piece on there. That seals that in. Make sure we got this the right way. I hope we did. Yep. So we've got that. And now we start to decorate this, which is what I love to do. Now what I'm going to do is just to put a little bit of glue on that and attach that side to that. By pulling these like this, holding the middle and pulling them, you're evening out the ruffle. That's basically all. Go back to this one. Hopefully we can get this going. Put that in the centre. Like that. Now, it just depends what you want in the centre. I could put a cameo, could put a crystal, I could put a flower. You know, you could use something like that, which I'm going to because I like it. They just look stunning. And I've made that. They're just little individual ones round a flat bead. Basically, make your own. I've shown you how to do them all. See, like that. And that's gorgeous. But what about these? Well, I'm going to put a pearl in those. But first of all, I'm just going to get some more of this because I want to make smaller flowers. Oh no, shall we? No, I'm going to keep it the same. I'm just going to get a little bit more. So we obviously need them different sizes. So I'm not going to use as much, if you know what I mean. The flowers will actually be the same. There we go. And it's going to be a little bit hard to share that with you, to show it, I mean. But that is what we've ended up with. And you can hang that anywhere. On the end of this, you can also add things like tassels and, you know, whatever you want. I might just, let's have a look and see what I've got. So, here we go. We can pop this one on, I think. So I'm going to flip that back. Actually, I'm going to put it in there, I think. I'm going to pop that there. Pop some glue on top of it. And pin those down on there, like that. Hold it down. There. A little bit of ribbon. I'm trying to share with you things that you can do with ribbon, because I get asked. It's one of the most asked questions that I get asked. I've got ribbon, Fiona. What can you do with it? And there's all sorts. You make it into something. Other way. Just make flowers with it. A lot of people think you just do bows and that's it, but no, it's not. You can just do that, and that is gorgeous. So I hope that's helpful. I'm just going to take a photograph of it. And like I say, you could make these so easy. Look really effective, look expensive, cost you a fortune if you bought them ready-made, but then again you wouldn't get them the same as what they would be if you made them. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.